gonna go see what Sophia's wearing. They're so different. Look.
So this nylon, there's a little bit less risk of bacteria. Put in the needle again. Should look. I are going to go around, pick up the toys.
Guys, so it's been a while since I last vlogged. I got an order from Temu. Just wanted to open the package up with y'all. Let's open and see what we have here. I got a claw clip, and then I also got a little box cutting thing. On this side should be where the ink rolls. Whoa, it works! It works! No, that's so cool! Whoa! Cute purchase. I got scissors! It's so cute. It's so cute. I got a microphone that can attach to my iPhone, so then maybe the audio quality will be better. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, found the indicator light. This is the audio without the camera. I mean, microphone. And this is how it sounds like with the mic. Does it sound any different? Let's see. Oh, it works! That's so cool. Our last item of this package is my little book holder kind of thing. Let me try with one of the books that I'm reading right now. What I can do is just, can I? Yeah, it's a lot easier to hold the book when you're reading it. I really like this one. We're gonna go to Carrollton, eat at this restaurant called Zim's, and then hopefully get some fun dessert.
I'll make it 2 slices of the mocha cake, please. Wow. Good job, Sophia. Looks good.
You're so cute. Hi guys! I just got back from eating, so now we're gonna do a little keyboard building. I bought a couple of switches because I do have a mechanical keyboard right here, but the sound quality of it is like a little bit too loud sometimes when I'm trying to type fast. I just wanted to change out the key switches for now. I'm gonna try to build it with y'all, see if it actually makes a difference in the sound quality. Okay guys, we're gonna do a sound test now. Let's start. get to the unboxing of everything that I got from Amazon. So from Amazon, there were these keycaps. These are the milky yellow key switches. That I got from Amazon. Whoa! I tested 4 of them already because
I needed to make sure that I could actually connect and work on the keyboards
that I got. Now we just need to assemble everything all together. I will probably time lapse everything and you'll see it. Last piece. Yay! So we're gonna do the sound test now to see how the milky yellow switches sound compared to our normal brown ones. Okay guys, so
I just finished building the mechanical keyboard but with the different switches.
so far the feel is a lot better. It's like a heavier kind of touch and I feel that would really help with my accuracy and my speed. Should I do a typing test? I think I'm gonna do a typing test just for fun. I haven't tested my typing speed in a while. Only 93. Oh my god, the accuracy is so bad.
It used to be over 100, but now I think I've gotten slower.
Oh, my eye is not working. So I figured out that my key switches weren't working. So that's why the accuracy test was kind of off. So I'm gonna take the typing test again. I just replaced the key switches and they do work now.
We're gonna redo the typing test.
Because I need some redemption. Wow! Okay, that is much better.